Hindi na ako.
Yung sa...
Si mama mag-intro na ako. Abisala. Buenos dias, como esta? Wonderfia here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Very 16 years old Fia Shara. Hi everyone, welcome to Ask Me Anyway Part 2. After almost 3 years, because my last video was, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it here. So, we've gathered dagan-dagan po nga questions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read it and answer it for you guys. Tutut. So as of the moment, as of the moment guys, sige! Ito pastor ya! As of the moment, kay gina-arrange pa ni mama ang questions kay line set og mag-ana-ana ang question ni mo like that. So question number 1 is from Andrea Miringuez. When will you be joining pageants again? I'm on my 3rd year as a medtech student, so it gets really hectic and it got really hard for me to manage my time. Gusto man jud ko if pagbalik na ako sa pageant, I'm really ready and I'm coming back stronger and wiser and fiercer. So, but to answer that question directly, wala man kay answer. So ako wala kay answer. It's because it's like this. You never know what's gonna happen in your life, but if there will be an opportunity nga mag-knock sa ako ang door and I'm really free, I have nothing else to do but just that, I will definitely grab that chance. But as of right now, the only thing that I can answer is not so soon. Not so soon. This is from Nicole Panas. As the bunso and the only daughter, what is one thing you wish your parents understood about you? May pwede pahawaan sa ang ams. So, as the bunso, you become the last hope of your parents. And as an only daughter, ikaw rapod ang mashiran sa problem sa nga ginadala sa imong parent, sa mother rather. So, one thing that I wish my mom understood was that as someone who likes to conceal my feelings and to be really optimistic, and obviously I'm very well pampered, but I also hope my mom understood there are some things nga ma-impact jud siya sa ako aba nga dili siya easily sa tawagan na bandage ako mama, dili siya easily ma-heal. There's some things like that, but in spite of that, I think my mom really understood me so much man good. But there are just sometimes nga there's some problems that can't be easily healed even from your mother. So question number 3, what is something you forgave yourself for after that relationship or any specific relationship ended? Can I answer this question?
Why not?
Forgave? I didn't do anything wrong.
Perfect.
One thing, I don't know if dapat pala siya i-forgive, pero siguro like I was so patient and forgiving that nga natapakan na ako ang morals, things that I stood up for in my life. But in love, bago kayo nga concept. In love, it's really intoxicating and you can't really control your feelings. And pero after that, after I did that being so patient, wala mo ko regret ato. Because it was part of the process of me learning how to deal with it much better for the next relationship or the next guy. Remember guys, do not forget your principles and morals just for a guy, just for the relationship. Period. So next question. From Nicole Gapon. In moments when you doubted yourself during your pageant journey, what kept you going? I know my parents. Because they were the one who really saw the potential in me. They were the main reason. They were my backbone at every pageant journey that I joined. And also, I owe it to myself because I've been punishing myself for every pageant that I lost. Nga, siguro you did not do better and you were so weak. You're not too fierce for that platform. But karon na gina-reflect ng kagalingan while still in yato sa pageantry, I want to prove to myself also na you are capable of doing so. You're capable of what your mother and father thinks of you, that you are strong and that you are beauty queen material. Next question is from Nicole. What's your personality at 3 a.m.? To be honest, I don't really reach 3 a.m. in the morning. Kay dali ra ko malipong, guys. Dali ra ko malipong, and then kung successive na akong bilar 3 days, inana magkuha na dahil, mag red eye na dahil po, and then it gets really dry and it's super sakit na even though I'll put eye drop, sakit yapon siya. If my personality, if ever maabot ko 3 a.m. kung personality, siguro okay, sabog. Sabog. So number 8, this is from Janaimer, from Nicole's boyfriend. So iyang question is, unsa niya pag-handle iyang ACADS and pageant? Unsa niya pag-manage sa iyang time? So katong first year pa ko, actually naglisod ko handle sa akong time, like mag-breakdown jud ko kang mama kay dili ko kabalo saan ako pag-juggle ang academics and pageantry. Those two things are important, but when you dive in pageantry, it's a commitment. If kuan lang malangitan magdungan ang imong pageant o academics na mas piliyon nimo ang unsa ang mas importante karon dili like kanang in general nga papiliyon siya ka academics o pageantry, kanang imong timbangon ba kung asa ang mas bugat. And also, that's one thing. Second thing po is you really need to do your school works before deadline, and you really need to advance study kay if mapay ka pageant that sige gyud ka excuse, it's much better na ma-advance ka og study kay dali ra ka maka-catch up sa lessons. So balik ta guys, 6 o 7 kay ako nalaktawan. This is from Nicole also. Are you more I'll fix it or I'll feel it first? Siguro makaingon ko nga I'll feel it first. Kaya how can you fix something if you didn't feel it first? Wala, dili mo i-rationalize sa ang butang aya ka mag-imong decision, which is very wrong. Kaya you don't act upon your emotion, which are feelings. I need to really internalize and digest the situation before I make a decision. Because after all, don't make a final decision in your temporary emotion because eventually you will regret it. And nakatabang niyo siya ayo sa ako for the entire existence of my life, like in public, wala siya ko nag-burst out. Because first, I hate humiliation, and second, I don't think anything will be resolved if you burst out all of a sudden. So it's really important to just think it through first before you do something. So I'll feel it first person. So next is, what's a very small thing that can ruin your whole mood? Kaya insensitive people. Example, musunod magyud tao sa pageantry magyud is dagan kay siyang tao kay after all you are a public figure. That is kanang sa on stage show, that's normal, you can't do anything about it. Pero on backstage, there are a lot of people nga kaya bitong you don't see them for a long time niyo. Kaya try nga nanambo ka. Inana kay I'm a firm believer na if you can fix it within 10 seconds, don't say anything about it. Because eventually, imo ra mapa-feel bad ang tao. Second is, I hate people nga sige ra og tantrums. Like, dali ra sa puton. Because, hello, we're on our 20s. And when we join events or gatherings mo, do you really want to ruin the whole atmosphere because of your temporary mood? So, it's already 2026. Leave that toxic attitude behind. Hello, Kali. Okay. 9. What do you plan to do after college? Ooh, I love this question. I think, Belly, the thing I will do after college is very layo sa kong ginatake course right now. I will pursue being a flight attendant. So, I will apply at any airlines that will accept me. But before that, diba, you need to, I didn't really need, but na siya advantage ko mag-work ka as information, concierge, customer service, and nana. So, yeah, that's my first plan good after mo mahuman ko aning college. Second pod, kay humalon dyan ako niya akong degree, kay musa na may galipay sa tong parents, degree raman nato. And medtech, I cannot deny nga, it's really a stable job. If anything goes downhill, at least I have my degree and I have my license. And lastly, bayot, kiay ko gayo. Kiay di ko gayo pag umansa kong college, magpadyanta di ko gayo. So what trait do you dislike the most? Again, I hate insensitive people. And second also is, I hate people nga hilig mang-humiliate. Ako, I'm a type of person who's really concerned about my image. So, I really don't want anyone nga humiliate ko. That's because I feel really belittled, ana, mangliit ko. And as someone nga soft-hearted kayo, umilak siya ko, ana. So, never maging ana. So, 11. What do you think about when you're on a stage during a pageant? Ang nasa kong muna na bitaw na honestly, kisakit akong panga. Kay, bayot, basta awarding na bitaw, sige na bigla na. Hindi ka matawag, sawat, kisakit yung panga, ana. So, more na, akong muna na, kay, mana. Gusto na kumato sa backstage, sakit siya sa panga bayot. Basta, sige ka na. Yung talikod, di ka na, ka. Ay, galik. Ay, oo. That was Miss Kauswagan. Miss Kauswagan, Miss Malanang, and Miss Tin City Homes. Nga, not to brag, but mo lang yun ang nitabuha nga naghakot kog award. And ang buang man siguro ko kay, maulaw ko ba sa sigig tawagon ako ngalan. Bagay siguro di ko kakakuruna. Kaya at the back of my mind, ano, sige, lasan na sila sa ako. Sige sila nga, giwayron ako ng mga judges na ba? Muna lang sa akong little brain. So, any plans to join pageants again? Kani ka more connected rin siya sa question ni Andrea. Pero ano ba ako nga not now? But soon.
Watch out.
I'll better watch out na lang kay tadugunon pag biatag utok masig. You never know.
Bonus inside aparador.
Unsa?
Bonus inside aparador.
Dili ko na ikat kay eksena ka. So, what or who got you into pageantry? My parents. Specifically si Papa. Pero ano mo si Papa guys, kay supportive kayo na siya niya. Kanang grabe ka na siya, full force na siya magkuhan sa imo mag kanang motivate. Sa akong first pageant is Binibining Malanang. Yeah. Supposed to be kato, dili gid ako unta ang candidate for phase 1. Dili ako ang isa sa candidate sa phase 1. Supposed to be si Ate Erica. But then si Ate Erica, she was still studying at that time as a nursing student. So iya kong gitos up. So mo na to nga. Paila-ila ko sa makeup artist sa iyang handler. Yung nito, ako na din, dito na nag-start ako ang journey na dayon. Tumuto siya akong first ever gid nga barangay pageant. And I was I got the first runner-up and winner ato is si Miss Nicole. Miss Nicole. And grateful kay ko ato nga time kay first na kong apil nakahakot award ko. And tungod ato nga nakahakot award ko, mar nainganyo din ko mo-apil kay takan siya kwarta sa pageantry, guys. And kidding aside, it's also a great platform jud nga i-raise ni mo advocacy. At that time, wa jud ako na took advantage ang akong popularity and fame kay I was naive at that time ko, pasikat kay kumao bitaw wala ko nag-think advance nga unsa ako nabuhat unta ato nga panahon. So ay ko tolerate ana nga part. Pero yeah, you have to strike while the iron is hot good day. Listen to your parents, guys. Manang ginaingon per ni mama ko. So next is, guys, medyo ko kasabot ani nga question ay, you like white guys? So I have two understanding ani nga question. Kung American ba or ano. So dara nga aspect, oo, I like white guys good, especially blue eyes. Second po na ko nga pagsabot is kung moreno or puti. To be honest, wala jud ko pili ana nga aspect kay as long as kuan siya kanang duol siya sa iyang family and then God-fearing siya and goal-oriented. O gwapo. May unatan awon ba yun? Can you see through the person's attitude and personality, di ba dili? So, oh yeah. So I hope you enjoyed listening to me answering those questions and see you on my next vlog. Also, I'm gonna make it a habit on every Wednesday mag-post ko videos para makita po ni YouTube nga effort na for right now. Spread the love and keep safe. Adios!